At the top of the document page, I have the Document Toolbar. The first thing you notice is the name of the document that's currently open. Over on the left, you have the Onshape logo, which will take you, if you click on it, back to the document page. Next to that is the document menu. This allows you to do things like rename the document or work with the Workspace units for this document, setting it to inches or millimeters. We have the history, where you can view all of the changes that have happened to all of the parts, studios, and assemblies. Over on the right, you have a link or a button for the App Store, for add-in applications, for rendering or bill of materials. We have a button for sharing, if you want to share your document with another person, either to view or to help with the design. If you have shared your document and other people are currently viewing, you will see icons that show that they are actively here and a place where you can leave comments. There is a help menu, and this help menu includes videos and tutorials as well as a keyboard shortcut sheet, which is very handy to have. And over here you have access to your account settings, which has some very important information about setup for the mouse or setup for units for your Onshape account.